one. So we will make a lion face. For that, take a clay and roll it. Now put the eyes and nose over it. Draw its mouth. Now we will take the bushy leaves and fix it all over its back. Fix a stick in the between and it's ready. Next we will make a bunny ring. For that we will take the bushy leaves like this and tie them as shown in the video. Now fold it and then make a roll and make a ring out of it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video. Next, using these bushy leaves, we will make an animal. First, take two leaves like this and fix them each other like this. Roll them from both the sides. Now make a space in the between and pull them closer. Now fix it from the sides. Again, follow the same process for a few more times. Roll it from both the sides and pull them towards each other like this. Now fix 4 to 5 leaves together as shown in the video. Fix them very carefully as we are showing. Watch the video very carefully till the end how we are making the animal as shown in the video. Tie them using the bushy leaves as shown. Fix it from the between. Press them from the sides and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will make a cute bunny using the bushy leaves. Take the leaves and then roll them like this. Now roll the another leaf over it. Fix it from the sides. Make its ears. Now we will make its legs by rolling it like this. Okay, watch the video very carefully and the technique how we are fixing the leaves. Otherwise, you won't get the desired result. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.